Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At ReneEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. The global steel industry, a vital sector in modern economies, has been a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. As the world seeks to mitigate the effects of climate change and reduce its carbon footprint, sustainable steel production has become a top priority. Swedish steel manufacturer SSAB is leading the charge with its groundbreaking initiatives in fossil-free steel production and green hydrogen utilization. This case study explores SSAB's journey towards a more sustainable future, detailing the strategies, challenges, and accomplishments in the pursuit of a greener tomorrow. SSAB's commitment to sustainability. SSAB is dedicated to reducing the environmental impact of its steel production processes. The company has set ambitious goals, aiming to become the first steel producer to have a completely fossil-free value chain by 2045. SSAB's sustainability plan includes transitioning to renewable energy sources, investing in green hydrogen, and collaborating with industry partners to revolutionize steel manufacturing. This commitment to sustainability is driven by the company's understanding of the crucial role it plays in helping achieve global climate goals. The HYBRIT initiative, a key collaboration. One of SSAB's most significant steps toward fossil-free steel production is its involvement in the HYBRIT, Hydrogen Breakthrough Iron-Making Technology, project. Launched in 2016, this joint venture between SSAB, Swedish state-owned utility Vattenfall, and iron or mining company LKAB aims to develop a novel steel production method using hydrogen instead of coal. By replacing coal with hydrogen in the direct reduction process, the only byproduct is water, significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Green hydrogen, a vital element. Green hydrogen, produced through the electrolysis of water using renewable energy sources, is a crucial component of SSAB's sustainable steel production strategy. As a clean energy carrier, hydrogen can store and transport energy without producing carbon dioxide emissions. SSAB, through the HYBRIT initiative, is investing in research and development to optimize the production and utilization of green hydrogen in steel manufacturing. Pilot plant and demonstration plant phases. The HYBRIT project has made significant progress since its inception. In 2020, the pilot plant in Luleå, Sweden, began operations, testing the feasibility of using hydrogen in the direct reduction of iron ore. The pilot phase aims to understand the challenges, develop solutions, and refine the technology necessary for large-scale implementation. The next phase, scheduled for completion by 2025, will see the construction of a demonstration plant in Gällivare, Sweden, which will showcase the potential for fossil-free steel production at an industrial scale. Challenges and solutions. Transitioning to fossil-free steel production is not without its challenges. The high costs associated with green hydrogen production, the need for vast amounts of renewable electricity, and the development of new technologies and infrastructure require significant investment. However, SSAB is committed to overcoming these challenges by actively seeking government support, engaging in collaborative research, and participating in global sustainability initiatives. First, fossil-free steel delivery and future prospects. In a remarkable achievement for August 2021, SSAB proudly delivered the globe's first-ever fossil-free steel to their ally, Volvo Group. This groundbreaking feat showcased the effectiveness of HYBRIT technology, propelling the steel industry on a trajectory towards a greener future. Garnering widespread recognition for their eco-friendly pursuits, SSAB is positioned to champion the development and adoption of fossil-free steel and green hydrogen use around the world. Wider implications for the steel industry and global climate goals. SSAB's pioneering work in fossil-free steel production and green hydrogen utilization has far-reaching implications for the global steel industry and climate change mitigation. By demonstrating the feasibility of hydrogen-based steel production, SSAB is inspiring other steel manufacturers to follow suit and adopt sustainable practices. The successful implementation of HYBRIT technology has the potential to reshape the steel industry and significantly reduce its carbon footprint. Collaboration with other industries. SSAB's success in producing fossil-free steel also highlights the importance of cross-industry collaboration. Partnerships with companies in the energy, mining, and automotive sectors have played a crucial role in accelerating the development and adoption of sustainable technologies. By working together, industries can share expertise, resources, and technologies to drive the global transition toward a more sustainable future. Policy support and market demand. Government policies and market demand are essential factors in the widespread adoption of fossil-free steel production. SSAB's achievements have garnered attention from policymakers, leading to increased government support for research, development, and infrastructure investments in green hydrogen and sustainable steel production. Additionally, the growing demand for eco-friendly products from consumers and corporations is driving the market for sustainable steel, incentivizing other manufacturers to adopt greener practices. Conclusion: embarking on a bold quest for fossil-free steel production, SSAB has become a sustainability trailblazer in the steel industry. Through relentless research, cunning collaborations, and inspired innovations, they've sparked a revolution. They now stand as a luminous beacon of hope, their ingenious green hydrogen-driven solutions pointing the way toward a greener, more resilient world for all. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.